Let me show you how to take screenshot on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11. So we have a couple of methods. The first method and the main method to take a screenshot is by using the power button and volume down button. If you press both of these buttons at the same time, you will easily capture the screenshot. However, besides that, we also have the palm swipe gesture. So with your hand like this, you can swipe from the left side to the right side of the screen, like that. Let me try again. There we go. Or, of course, from the right side to the left side. In case this gesture doesn't work for you, you can open Settings, scroll down to Advanced Features, and then over here we can open Motions and Gestures, and then we have Palm Swipe to Capture, so you want to make sure that this option is enabled. Last but not least, we can also use Quick Settings or Control Center. And over here we can add the Take Screenshot option, but in order to do so, we need to tap on this pen in the top right corner over here, this pen. There we go. We need to tap on Edit, and let me actually remove the button. So now over here in Available Buttons, you should be able to find Take Screenshot somewhere in here. So you can tap on it to add it to the list, tap on Done. There we go. And now if we use this button, we will hide the Quick Settings panel and take the screenshot. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.